Hi guys! Magandang hapon. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa pagmamahal at malasakit na pinakita niyo sa akin, sa amin, ng pamilya ko, especially the thoughts and the prayers during this difficult time. Maraming salamat po talaga. As you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. Kakapark ko lang sa labas ng bahay. Well, actually, this is my first time na lumabas ako ng bahay since Friday. So today is Sunday and it's currently 5 o'clock ng hapon. Kaya medyo madilim na. Since Friday hindi na ako lumabas ng bahay kasi nga 'di ba? Yun yung mga araw na yung sister-in-law ko nasa ospital and parang stress na ako. And then yesterday, wala rin. Daddy Mike tried to convince me na lumabas para makapag fresh air ba, para makagaan-gaan ng loob. Pero yesterday talaga guys was the hardest day, kaya yun, hindi ako lumabas. But then this afternoon, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we have to do, parang nakaisip din sa Daddy Mike ng ang tawag dito, ng dahilan. Sabi niya na kailangan nating pumunta ng grocery, we have to go out, ganito, ganyan. Kaya yun, lumabas ako guys. It's good to have that fresh air kasi, sa loob ng bahay, nagmumukmuk lang, ganyan. But I think it's understandable naman siguro guys, no? Kahit nga kahapon, sobrang daming nag-message sa akin, maraming tumawag, but I wasn't in the stage na parang sumagot ng phone, kaya pasensya na sa mga mga nag-message na hindi ko na-replyan, and yung mga tawag na hindi ko nasagot kasi nga I was very down. Still am very down guys, but I realized, and life must go on, and everyone can't stop here. So yung sister-in-law ko nakaburol na ngayon sa bahay namin. So kahapon daw kinuha yung katawan niya. Supposed to be 3 o'clock, sabi ng sister ko, 3 o'clock siya kukunin, pero nag-ask daw yung brother ko na if possible 4 o'clock na lang kasi gusto niya munang makasama pa. But you know what guys, until now hindi ko pa nakikita yung kabaong, yung mga ganon, kasi nag-request ako sa sister ko na kung pwede, wag na lang muna akong sendan ng mga photos na nakakasakit talaga sa puso, because I don't know, I think it's just my way of coping as well guys. Sobrang iiyak na naman ako ng iiyak pag makita ko yung kabaong. They send me photos of the kids, of my brother, ganun. Obviously is very heartbroken. I can't even explain, I can't even imagine kung gaano kasakit yung nararamdaman niya at the moment, but that's understandable. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike na just let him grieve, and we'll just wait for the time, because we all know that time is the best healer. So alam niyo, hindi ko pa rin nakakausap yung kuya ko ever since na nangyari ito. Kasi sabihin niyo na I'm a coward guys, but I don't know, parang hindi ko pa siya kayang kausapin kasi of all the people talaga ngayon, I think it's my brother yung sobrang tawag dito, lahat naman apektado, no, but yung sa brother ko would be I can't even explain guys, pero intense yung nararamdaman niya, kaya I don't know if I can handle it pag kinausap ko siya tapos mag-breakdown siya, and then I'm gonna cry and this and that. So I'm trying to gain strength. Yung mama ko nga nag-message siya sa akin, pati yung sister ko, kasi yung sister Mimi ko lang talaga yung always na kinakausap ko about everything, na yung mga lakad doon, everything is through my sister. So tinanong nila ako kung kailan ko daw tatawagan si kuya, kasi para baka makatulong daw sa yung nararamdaman niya ngayon. Sabi ko na hintayin ko lang muna. I might give him a call tonight or tomorrow. But, siguro maintindihan nyo naman siguro ako guys, no? Like, hindi ko pa kaya nakausapin siya. I've been through this situation before, and yeah, I'll talk about that in a separate video, but I 101% know how it feels, and yeah, just need time guys, just need time. But I understand as well yung mga tao na tumatawag, nagme-message sa akin. Also sa mga comments nyo, maraming salamat talaga na sinasabi nyo na huwag masyadong magpa-apekto kasi nga iba, may baby ako sa tiyan ko. And kung ano man yung nararamdaman ko, nararamdaman ng baby girl natin. And yeah, I totally believe that. Kasi nung mga time na sobrang iyak ako and yung ating baby girl ay parang alingasa po siya ba. And yeah, and especially now that she moves a lot, you see, like even now when we talk guys, like seriously, parang sinisipa niya ako ng sobrang lakas talaga guys, sipa or suntok. And as you can see, nandyan ang ating baby girl. Nakatulog siya. Kaya sabi ko, it's a perfect time para update ko kayo kung ano yung mga pangyayari dito. Super upset that I am not able to go home and be with the family. Unfortunately, with this pandemic, and also kahit naman walang pandemic guys, I still can't fly because I am pregnant, and I don't think they will let me on the plane kapag buntis ka, and also third trimester na natin, so hindi na yung madali-dali yung pagbiyahe. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa family ko all the time guys, look after your health. Kasi, yun na nga, especially sa mga pamilya na nalalayo sa kanilang pamilya, katulad ko, it's very hard for us na pag may nangyari doon, we are not present. Tapos, hindi madali-dali yung pagbiyahe pauwi ng Pinas pag nandito kami sa ibang bansa, di ba? And, yeah, seriously, health is wealth talaga guys. Sobrang totoo. Kahit pa siguro kung marami kang pera, milyonaryo ka, bilyonaryo ka, kung dadapuan ka na ng sakit, kung time mo na talaga, wala rin talaga. Kaya, you really have to live life to the fullest habang buhay pa tayo guys. Kasi pag binawian na tayo ng buhay ni papagad, wala na talaga tayong magagawa. Kahit ano pang mga treatment yan, kahit gaano kamahal pa yung mga gamot mo, wala na talagang magagawa. I have rested myself from crying, and sometimes hindi ko lang talaga mapigilan yung sarili ko guys na umiyak kapag naalala ko. And parang naisip ko na at least sana nandun ako with my family, ganun. Pero unfortunately, wala naman tayong magagawa guys. Pasensya na kung palagi akong gumagano'n guys kasi yung ating baby Celine ay sobrang likot na talaga sa tiyan ni mami. Yung mama ko sobrang nag-message sa akin na huwag kang masyadong mag-alala dyan kasi buntis ka. And even Daddy Mike guys, siya talaga yung nagsasabi na if possible, wag ka munang na mga photos na parang ang tawag dito, makakasakit sa dibdib mo. Kasi yun nga guys, malapit na tayong manganak. And the last thing that we would want to happen is that, alam nyo, yung manganak ng maaga, earlier than the due date. So ayaw natin yun. Kaya I am trying really hard na muna yung sarili ko, like compose myself, and parang ipasa Diyos na lang ang lahat guys. Tomorrow is Monday, work na naman ulit, but I don't know, ko my boss na hindi muna ako papasok just for tomorrow kasi I'll try to muna, parang relax muna yung utak ko and all, kasi alam niyo yun, stress personal life, stress pa sa trabaho, it's getting too much. Kaya yun. But yeah, I just thought that I'll talk to you for a little bit and say thank you everyone for all the prayers talaga. That's what the family needs at the moment. Kaya maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng effort talaga na mag-comment, mag-message sa akin kahit hindi ko nasasagot. I just want to let you know na na-appreciate ko kayong lahat. And yeah, I'm sorry na hindi mo na lively yung vlogs natin for now, but we will get there. We will come back and hopefully, we'll be able to film more enjoyable videos for you in the future. Maraming salamat guys, and ingat tayong lahat kasi dumadami na naman yung cases ng COVID dito sa amin sa Melbourne. Actually, we are on 7-day lockdown at the moment. Start nung Friday. So, this is our 3rd day din na lockdown kami. So, hindi kami nakakaalis ng sobrang malayo. Hindi namin nagagawa yung talagang gusto namin gawin kasi nga lockdown. So, just stay safe everyone. And I'll speak to you in the next video. Have a good night.